Hi there, students. A saga. Saga. Originally, a saga is an Icelandic or Scandinavian story from the Viking era. It tells of the voyages and feuds and heroic events of the people of the time. A saga can be legendary, historic, or most commonly a mixture of the two. But today we use this word a saga to talk about a long, involved story, a chain of events. And we use it in two different ways. Either to say the story is long and boring. Steer clear of my aunt, or she'll tell you the saga of her time in hospital. And it's going to go on, and it's not going to be very interesting. Or we can use it to say that something was a comedy of errors, a catalogue of disasters. Did you hear the saga of my trip to town, where my car broke down and then another car crashed into it, and then I ended up getting in a fight with the driver of the other car, and I was arrested and ended up in the police station? A saga, a catalogue of unfortunate events. One bad thing after another happens. Clearly, Brexit is becoming a saga. The vote about Brexit, shall we leave the EU or not, was only the start. But I think nowadays people are becoming bored of the Brexit saga. It's a long and boring comedy of errors. Are we going to really leave? Are we not going to leave? Are the government going to overturn the decision? And then months and months of negotiation with the European Union about the terms, about the border with Northern Ireland, it's just becoming a long, boring story with masses of errors on all sides. Okay, so a saga. An epic story, a legend, a folk tale of Viking people. I think you could call the Game of Thrones a saga. It's got that feel to it. Or a saga, a rigmarole, a chain of events, a catalogue of disasters, a palaver. A palaver is a good word. Okay, so a saga, a long boring story, or a long catalogue of disasters and mistakes. The organisation of the wedding was a saga. How many people to invite, how many people not to invite. And then the lockdown came and the saga still continues. And we will hear more about it. So a long, boring story. So next question, formality. I think I'd give this word saga a 5.5 in formality. I think it's flexible. It does sound a little bit literary, but I think you could use it informally. Maybe you could say a palaver as well, or a boring story. And then the origin is Old Norse, a saga, an epic tale. And that comes from Proto-Germanic, sago, or sago, a saying or a story. Okay, so I'd better not convert this video into a saga, because you'll just switch off and watch something else. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Saga.